The cats found the bag of clothes I was going to give to the Salvation Army and tore through it. Dante is hardly moving. No. No. I have to take a video of this because no picture can really capture the cuteness of all of this. Chaucer and Dante not only being lovable, but being quiet. Hello. Hello. My shadow keeps getting in the way. But as much as they fight, at least they still do love each other. And here's another cutie pie taking a nap.
Okay, that's fine. Thanks.
Focus on the trees, even though Chaucer looks like he's sniffing Dante's ass.
Yeah. Alright. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.